Oh my god, this is so cute. You gotta see this.
Hello everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome to my new unboxing video. Let's get this package open and see what's inside. Ooh, pretty. So cute! So there was no note included, but I know that it was sent from my friend Tommy, so thank you so much. Now I'm going to go try this on.
Oh my god, this is so cute. You gotta see this.
So this is the really cute butterfly tube top. I really love it. It fits me perfectly. Once again, thank you so much, Tommy. I really love this top, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, tap that like button. It helps my channel grow faster. Click one of the videos that just popped up on your screen and keep watching. See you soon. Take care and stay safe.